Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make Ma Fah, which is again a traditional Chinese sweet which is made during the New Year's time. So let's get started. Before we begin, if you haven't subscribed to the channel, make sure you subscribe to the channel for free and view all my recipes. Don't forget to click on the bell icon and share my recipe and like the recipe as well. So let's begin to make this wonderful dessert that we use to share with all our friends and family during New Year's. Mixing bowl, I've taken 2 cups of plain flour. To this I'm going to add 2 teaspoons of sesame seeds, toasted sesame seeds. To this I'm going to add 50 grams of granulated sugar, finely granulated sugar. One large egg. To this I'm going to add 1 cup of clarified butter. Now mix this until you make it into a dough. So I'm just going to add slowly by slowly my clarified butter. Okay. So now that's a total of 1 full cup of clarified butter. Once you have the texture of breadcrumbs, we're now going to add water. We're going to add water, just enough water to make it into a nice dough. Just adding . Once I need it, I'll get back to you. There you go. The dough is now ready. I'm going to leave this for 10 minutes aside and then get back. Next I'm going to take some oil and heat that. Oil heats up, I'm going to start adding my Ma Fah. Make sure your heat is at medium. Okay, don't keep it at high, else it will burn. Right. Once they turn golden brown, I'm going to take them off from the oil. Desired color that I'm looking out for. Here you go, my Ma Fah is ready. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and share the recipe. Don't forget the like button and also the bell icon so that you get further notification about my new recipe that I will be posting on my channel. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you will try this during the New Year's time and share it with your friends and family. Happy New Year. Thank you so much for watching. Goodbye. Let's try one. Look how crispy they look.